Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add row numbers to your tasks in Asana. Row numbers can be especially helpful when you want to quickly reference or prioritize tasks within your project. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First, we're going to head over to Asana and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to create a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your admin dashboard. Step 2. Accessing your project. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Projects to view all your projects. Select the project you want to add row numbers to. For this example, we'll choose one from my list here. Step 3. Exploring the columns and fields. Now, once your project is open, you'll see a list of columns and fields for your tasks, like task name, assignee, due date, and priority. This is where you'll manage your tasks. Step 4. Opening the Settings menu. To add row numbers, we're going to make a quick change in the settings. Look to the top right of the screen and click on the Options 3 dots menu. From there, select Settings. This is where we'll enable the row numbers. Just a quick note before we continue. All the email addresses, phone numbers, or personal information you might see in this video are purely for demonstration purposes. Please make sure to use your own personal information when you're making changes in your Asana account. Step 5. Navigating to Display Settings. In the Settings menu, we're going to head over to the Display section. Here, you can customize various display options for your tasks. Scroll down until you see the Advanced options. Step 6. Enabling row numbers. Within the Advanced options, you'll see the Show Row Numbers option. Simply toggle it on. Once you do this, you'll notice that row numbers appear in the first column of your task list. These numbers correspond to the order in which your tasks are listed. For example, if you have 6 tasks, you'll see them numbered from 1 to 6. If you add a new task, the number will automatically update to reflect the new order. Step 7. Adding and managing tasks. Let's quickly add a new task. You'll see that the row number updates, and now the new task appears as number 7. If you don't add any details, the task will show up in the list with a default name, and it'll be assigned a row number. If you decide to delete that task later, the numbers will adjust accordingly, so it always shows the current total of tasks. Step 8. Managing your task list. It's important to note that row numbers are assigned based on the current order of tasks. If you sort or reorder your tasks, the row numbers will update automatically to reflect the new arrangement. And that's it. Now you can easily add row numbers to your tasks in Asana, making it a lot easier to keep track of your projects and stay organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.